Welcome to the video notes for Lesson 8.1, Fractions as Division. The big idea with this skill is that if I'm trying to show something as division, I can use fractions to do that. Let me give you an example. Let's say that there were 4 kids and I had 3 pizzas. Let's say I wanted to share those 3 pizzas evenly with the 4 kids. Well, one of the things that I could do to make it fair is I could take each of my pizzas, 1, 2, 3, and I could cut those pizzas into 4 pieces since I have 4 kids. Then I could split up the pizzas to give one piece, one of those fourths from each pizza to a kid. So I could give 1, 2, 3, 4. So kid 1 gets this piece, kid 2 gets this piece, kid 3 gets this piece, and kid 4. And do the same thing with the other one and the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The big idea here is that if I gave this piece of pizza from each pizza to one of the kids, then that kid would end up getting 3/4 of a pizza. They would get 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Altogether, that kid would get 3/4 of a pizza. And I could repeat that. I can give this piece out of the pizza to the second kid, and it'd be the same situation. And then I could give this piece to kid number 3, and this piece to kid number 4. In this way, I could split each pizza up by the number of kids I have, and if I cut up each pizza that way, each kid would get an equal amount. So I could do this every time. I could draw it out. But the big idea that we can work with is really what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take 3 pizzas and divide it up equally among 4 kids. Fortunately, there's another strategy for that. I could use a fraction to show it. I could take my 3 pizzas and divide it by 4 kids. And I'll get my answer of 3/4, which is just what I had before. I can take 3 pizzas and divide it by 4ths. The reason this works is because a fraction is really just showing division. So if I had a fraction like 5/8, what I really mean is 5 divided by 8. And I could even write it like 5 divided by 8. Each of these 3 representations means the same thing. In fact, if I take a fraction like 5/8, this top number, my numerator, really just represents what I have. And this bottom number, the denominator, really just represents how I split it up or how I divided. And in fact, often this middle spot, this division or this fraction bar is often called a division bar, because what it really means is division. So this is the big idea we're going to be working with this week. Any division problem can also be written as a fraction. So when I have a division problem like 3 divided by 4, it means the same thing as 3/4.